Sha'carri Richardson, Tamari Davis got out better. Now Sha'carri starts to wind up, but she goes past Jefferson. Sha'carri Richardson, 10.70.
So last night, Sha'carri Richardson did a very wonderful assignment by winning the USA 100-meter national trials in the women's race in a time of 10.70. And it's kind of shaking the whole athletics community. And when I'm talking about shaking the um athletics community, it's kind of shaking the Jamaican athletics community so much that it had so many Jamaicans reacting to the Sha'carri's time of 10.70 because they are feeling like, oh, Sha'carri is coming for the gold medal in Paris Olympic 2024. Do not come for me. I'm not trying to bring any narrative, but what I'm trying to just justify is that Sha'carri Richardson is definitely ready. She is healthy. She is mentally stable. She is just prepared back to back, and she is ready to give it back to back at the Paris Olympic. Now, talking about the Jamaicans, do not forget that their trials will be starting up this coming week, and I can't wait to see what Shelly and Fraser Pryce has for us in the box, what she's going to unveil up her sleeves. I also can't wait to see Ellen Thompson Hira, and of course Sha'carri Jackson is also gonna be amazing, right? We have one of the big three in Jamaica and they are amazing, okay? But this time around, I just want to share with you the reaction by Jamaicans to Sha'carri Richardson actually winning in a time of 10.70 because it kind of shocked them because they were never expecting Sha'carri Richardson to be so consistent in blazing good times. So this Jamaican lady reacted to Sha'carri Richardson winning the USA national trials in a time of 10.70, and she said Sha'carri booked her ticket to Paris. 7 of the USA women 100-meter finalists run under 11 seconds. Jamaica better come correct. And what this means is she's just trying to send a very very big warning to her fellow Jamaican queens that they better come right, they better come correct. Now looking at the next reaction by a Jamaican says, now she said, now with Sha'carri Richardson championship making the team, Jamaica will have a new understanding of the world champion. Bye bye score losers. She's actually saying that now that Sha'carri Richardson has run 10.70, Jamaicans will have a better understanding of what they are going to face at the Paris Olympic, and they are definitely going to get ready for Sha'carri Richardson at the Paris Olympic. Let me hear your opinions and don't forget to subscribe.